So what this video is on is a Roomba. Doing a repair on one. The bumpers on the Roomba were not working. And instead of replacing the actual circuit boards themselves from recommendations online, what I went ahead and did is, since I have a pretty in-depth understanding of soldering and computer electronics, I went ahead and took apart two old style mice. They kind of have the rolling balls on the bottom of them, and these are the boards that were on them. And on the inside of the Roomba, you got the two bumper switches that are in there have infrared, these little infrared beams that are shot back and forth for the sensor. When it hits the wall, it interrupts the beam, or it engages the beam. I believe it engages the beam, doesn't interrupt it, which causes it to change direction. Well, the problem with my Roomba was it would just go and it would just move a little bit, turn around, and then move again, turn around, and that was about it. After doing some research online, found out that the boards themselves on the inside of the Roomba, which are not these these came out of the actual roller mice. Well, I went ahead and I desoldered the ones that were on the boards here. They're a bit taller than these right here, but I figure as long as they lined up, it should work in theory. So I went ahead and desoldered the ones from on the Roomba and soldered the ones that were on here onto the Roomba little circuitry board, which is a very simple circuit board. The only components on that particular circuit board are the trace lines and these two infrared sensors. So after soldering it back on and powering up the Roomba, placing everything back together with no additional cost, I now have a working Roomba. You'll notice as it hits the wall, it's going to change its direction. Before, it wouldn't even get progress to move forward, just kind of go in a circle, and then eventually stop and give a 9-beat sequence code, which is a direct indication of the bumper sensors having an issue, which apparently was very common with these. So I'm hoping maybe the ones I took from the mice have a little bit more longevity to them than the ones that were built into the Roomba. So that's it. Repair done it at the office. Did a good job. Good luck.